Compressed Air Equipment is the only air compressor facility in the tri-state area that offers in-house air piping installations through our award-winning service team. Threaded black iron pipe, copper air piping, as well as aluminum piping systems. Air generated from an air compressor is the most expensive utility in manufacturing. If the air piping is not of proper design or size, pressure drops can create the need to run your compressors at a higher pressure range. No matter what size the project is, we provide our customers with complete assistance for air system design, sizing, and energy optimization of their air piping systems.